What's up guys, you're watching another video, another Forza video guys, another gaming video today. Unfortunately, I can't film a vlog today because last night we actually got a tattoo. If you guys haven't watched that video, go watch it right now. It's my last vlog I uploaded. But I got a new tattoo guys, a really big tattoo. My entire sleeve is all done. You guys can pretty much see right here. It looks super sick. We got a rose, we got a skull, and we got Jesus right here on the cross. A lot of people ask me like what's the meaning behind the tattoo. Not only is it like a beautiful piece, the tattoo artist killed it, but I really wanted like a big Jesus piece like this. I have the cross on my head too. It was either putting blessed on my head or a cross. So the cross pretty much means blessed. Like I'm super blessed in life. I thank God a lot for all the things that I have in life. So I wanted to put Jesus right here on the cross. And then we got the skull and the rose. The reason why, not only does it look cool, like I love the skull and I love the rose. I love roses and I love skulls. I love the black and white tattoos. Kind of like a good versus evil. The rose is like beauty and life, and then the skull is like death. It's pretty much just like life and death. And yeah, this looks crazy. I love how it turned out. It looks freaking awesome. I love how the tattoo artist put it all together. I literally have almost a full sleeve, guys. Back to why I can't post a vlog today is because I'm really sore, bro. Like I can't move my arm. I can't even stretch it out. Like it hurts. I went 2 days back to back on the tattoo, so it's super painful. It looks so sick though. Like look at that. I can't wait till we keep going and fill in the rest of my arm. I want to finish this and then probably do the next arm, which would be cool. Then possibly maybe my neck, maybe my hands. I don't know. I want to get a lot of tattoos, guys. I just love like the artwork of tattoos. Like it looks so good when you get a good artist to make like really good artwork. Like dude, I was looking at the tattoo last night and I'm like, bro, I can't even do this on a piece of paper. And this dude did this on my skin, bro. Like it's literally art. It's crazy. But anyways, no vlog today, guys. I'm sorry, but I want to make a cool little gaming video for you guys since I can't go outside and make a vlog right now. And like I said, if you haven't watched the last video, go watch it right now. When we got the tattoo, I showed the whole progress. Him shading it, me crying. Thank you guys for watching another gaming video. Smash the like button for me. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We're starting to do gaming videos now, but I mainly do like vlogs, car meets, hang out with car friends, a lot of car stuff. Alright, so today what we're gonna do, I think we're gonna build a 350Z. I seen a lot of comments in the comment section in the last video. You guys wanted me to build my own cars. So like I want to do my GTR, I want to do my 350Z, I want to do the E46, but today we're gonna do the 350Z. And like I mean, you guys know the condition of the Z right now. It looks like shit. But today we're gonna build a 350Z into like what I want mine to look like eventually. Pretty much like my dream 350Z build, but we're gonna make it a little more realistic this time. The E92 was a little crazy, 1000 horsepower, LS swapped. That's a lot of money, bro. So we're gonna make the Z a little bit more realistic. Z right here. And yeah, like I said, we're gonna do like what I want to do to my Z. The mods I kind of want to do. But I think we might stick with the stock motor, only just to keep it more on the realistic side. And not like crazy horsepower. Or maybe try to make like 500 horsepower or something like that. Alright, first things first. Bro, it's so hard to like do anything with this tattoo. Like I don't want to touch it on nothing. Should we paint it first? Cause that orange is really ugly, bro. I don't even want to look at the orange. I'm over here hating on the homie Kevin on this orange E92. Alright, we're gonna change it to... Usually I like doing the wrap or paint last, but like I said, I don't really like the orange. Or should we make it like my Z right now? Okay, we'll start off like with my Z. It might be like this, honestly. I'm gonna do it like that. That's how the stock Z looks right now. But yeah, guys, it seemed like you guys really liked this Forza content. I like it too. I think it's super sick. It's super fun. It's fun to watch. Like I said, that's one of the only things that I watch on YouTube nowadays is like Forza videos or like a lot of gaming videos. I want to do more games. A lot of people are talking about Gran Turismo. I've never tried it, but I'm down. I might buy that. A lot of people are also saying Need for Speed Heat. I have Need for Speed Heat on the PlayStation, I think. We can play that too. The only thing about that one is I feel like the driving on that game sucks. The driving is better on this game. I'm with you guys. I think the customization is better on Need for Speed Heat. Let's slam this thing first because this car is slammed right now. We're trying to make it as stock as it looks. Yeah, look, there you go. That's literally how low my car is right now. It's too low, bro. It scrapes on everything. We're gonna start off with the body kit. See if that's a Nismo bumper? Ooh, they do. It's pretty much like the bumper I have that I bought. You see how much better it looks painted? Right now mine's black. See a wing. A Nismo wing. I'm not a big fan of wings on Z's, I'm not gonna lie, guys. Even like that little one, I don't like it. I would either go like a big wing like this. Honestly, we might go with a big wing. Just for fun. Or no wing. Those are the two options I would do. No wing or big wing. Nismo bumper looks pretty cool, but I feel like with the Nismo bumper, you do need a wing. We're gonna go with the stock bumper in the back. Like I said, we're making it realistic, guys. If I had crazy money, I would have just bought a Nismo too, but we're gonna keep it how my Z looks in real life. Let's do some wheels. This car we can either do some TEs as well, or we can do it with the 3-piece wheel. Thinking TEs though. TEs might look kind of sick. Or actually, bro, duh, we have to go with like a wheel setup that looks like the wheels I just bought. The Conce wheels I just bought. I forgot. Honestly, they kind of look like that. Bro, they actually do look like this, huh? The wheels look, guys. They kind of look like these. Honestly, these look like the Conce wheels. Like, as you guys can see. They're almost spot on, bro. With the polished lip. Alright, we're gonna put some spacers on this shit because they stick out way too. Oh my god, look at the tire on that shit. I like it poking a little. We can go like that. The front, we can go maxed out. I think we'll go with 18s. I think we'll just stick with the 18s in. Looks like a fat tire setup. This shit looks like it's made to drag race, bro. We're gonna throw a big brake kit on it. Looks sick with the red brake caliper. Should we put a cage in it? We have to put a cage in it, huh? Woo! Eventually, guys, I want to put a cage in mine too. Weight reduction. We'll make it super light. Race clutch in it. Race transmission in it. A drift differential. Which I need to weld my diff still in real life, bro. I still haven't welded it, guys. We have a lot of work to do on the Z still. I'm sorry. For now, you guys will get to see a video game 350Z. See, we could go with the V8 as well. So sick, bro. Honestly, this could be realistic too, guys. I want to engine swap it. I'm not gonna lie. Or we can get the stock Z motor. These are my two options. We can go with the stock motor, turbo it, like a fresh kick setup, or we can LS swap it, like I want to do to my Z eventually. I'm sorry, guys. I know I don't want it to get boring with all these LS motors, but I always wanted to build an LS in real life. I just haven't done it yet, but that shit sounds crazy. We're gonna keep it stock. I'm not gonna turbo it. I'm not gonna supercharge it. We're gonna keep an NA LS. We're not gonna make it 1,000 horsepower. We're gonna make like probably like 500, maybe 600 max. We're gonna cam it for sure, cause I want the shit to chop. Damn, we're already at 500 horsepower. What else should we do to it? Okay, we'll go for 600 horsepower. Intake. Should we build the motor? Okay, we'll do like a built LS motor. But again, I'm only gonna try to make like 600. 585. 599. I don't think we can add anything else. It'll go over 600. Yup. We're gonna keep it like that. 599. Almost 600 horsepower. I think that's pretty good for the outside. I know it doesn't look like too much, but that's like exactly what I want to do to my Z. Just do the bumper, throw some nice wheels on it, change up the wrap. We're gonna change up the wrap right now, and then just LS swap it and just drift the fuck out of it. That's all I want to do. Make a reliable drift car and just drift it. A street drift car. A lot of people too are confused, like, why did I buy a Z to drift when I already have an E46 M3 to drift? I know, guys, the E46 M3 is like the ultimate drift car right there. I also need to fix that, dude. I just have too many project cars right now. I need to wrap the GTR. I need to wrap the Z. I need to put the Z exhaust on. I need to fix the Z, make it running perfect. I need to weld the diff. I need to buy tires for my GTR. And I also need to fix the E46. So we have a lot to do, bro. So I'm sorry, guys, for the delay, but I'm trying to do one at a time. Right now, my main focus is pretty much like the Z. The E46 is more like a track drift car. I can't drive it on the street. So I want something fun to drive on the street. That's why I bought the Z. So this is how the car looks right now. If I got it all painted, the matching of the car, like the bumper. I'm just gonna give you guys my options, okay? Like what I've been wanting to wrap it. I already bought the roller wrap, guys. So the wrap's already here. It's in my garage. It's waiting to get wrapped. But I'm gonna show you guys my other options that I had. Number one, I wanted to do a black. Black just looks clean on a Z. It hides all the imperfections too, because this car has a lot of imperfections. If it's black, it's gonna look clean, bro. You wanna be able to tell any like the gaps between the fenders and stuff. Like, it'll look clean. I obviously want to do it in Nardo, but I don't want everyone to be like, oh, fresh kicks. That's another color I want to do. I thought about doing Tiffany on the Z just to make it stand out like crazy, bro. As you guys know, I love red, bro. I will do all my cars red. I mean, I have done all my cars red. And I also thought about doing like a matte white just to match the interior, the red seats. So one of those colors I chose. But today, I think we might go with red for today's video. I want like a candy red, bro. How can we do that? Sheesh, bro. That red is sick. That's clean, bro. Carbon hood does look good, huh? Carbon mirrors. Do carbon mirror caps. No tint, so we can show the roll cage. Sheesh, that shit looks clean. I think we might be done, guys. Oh, shit. Big ass truck. What's up, bro? That shit's clean. Bro, the cams in this car sound crazy. Look how shit's idling. Yeah, this is goals, bro. This is exactly what I want to do to my Z. Same wheels, carbon hood, same front bumper. No wing, just keep it clean like this. Clean and simple in the back. Then VA swap it. Oh, shit. This car makes 599 horsepower, so almost 600. If you guys know more drifting spots, let me know. Comment down below. This spot's pretty fun, though. Oh, shit. Oh my god, that was clean. Oh, died out. Yeah, this car is sick, bro. It sounds so crazy. Woo! Look how clean that looks. You guys know I have to have a clean Z, bro. Like, I want a clean drift car. Woo! You gotta, like, really clutch kicking and stuff. It's crazy you can actually, like, clutch kick in this game. Spinning through 4 gears, bro. Oh, that was ugly. You hear how it sounds? It sounds like it's cutting out. Why does it sound like that? You guys think I could do a 360 entry? Let's see if I can do it. Oh my god, I did not get it first try. That was sick, huh? Oh, that was cool. It wasn't bad. A little slow. This is about to be me in real life, guys. Once we get the welded diff on, every on-ramp and off-ramp. Oh! It looks like a 350Z should just have an LS motor in it. Woo! All that smoke. Hey, let's see how fast we can get this thing. 600 horsepower 350Z. Oh! 150. I wonder if we get 200. Oh my god. 190. 200. We hit 200. 206. Oh my god, the freeway's gonna end. Like 210? Sounds so sick. Then move the cones real quick. Excuse me. Move these cones. Well, this would be the perfect freaking Z, bro. It looks so clean. I'm telling you guys, we're gonna make mine clean one day, I promise. Alright, let's try a 360 right here. First try? Oh my god, I think we got it. Oh! We almost got it. 360 is so hard, bro, because you gotta like time it. So when you come out of the 360, you're already going around the turn like perfectly. Imagine in real life, bro, it's probably so hard. I think I did it too early. Oh, it's not bad. Oh, that's pretty clean. Oh, it's not bad, bro. Oh, shit. You want to drift? What's up, homie? 240, right? S14? Oh, he crashed. Look how sick it is tandeming with people, bro. I gotta catch up. Oh. That shit is clean, bro. I think I have one of those. Oh! I'm over here turning my camera, not even focusing on drifting. I just want to see it. Go, go, go. It's so hard, bro. I think that's gonna end the video right there. I hope you guys enjoyed. That was a really sick build. There's not much you can do to the Z in the game. Same in real life. Like, I don't want to do too much. I want to keep it really simple like this. Probably a short video, and I know it's not a car vlog. I'm sorry. Once the tattoo heals, we'll be back to our regular scheduled program. Hopefully go to a car meet this weekend. But for now, I hope you guys enjoyed that cool little gaming video. Quick little simple 350Z build, not much to it, 600 horsepower, LS, NA. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please smash the like button for me. Comment down below what other games you guys want to see me play, or what other cars you guys want to see me build. Comment down below what you think about the new tattoo. Nick's tatted, yatted. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Hopefully the next video will be a car vlog. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Well, y'all catching feelings, I'm